Hi, it's Emily from WTI. Calling all coffee lovers, welcome to your new coffee station. This enticing coffee station is brought to you by this Jubao 6-tier baker's rack with multiple power outlets. It holds a microwave if needed and a ton of kitchen storage. It even has these adjustable hooks on the side. I love this rack. I've used it for so many purposes. I love that it's got USB and outlets built right into it so you can power everything. I love the rustic wood design and even the fact that you can adjust the height of the shelves when you're putting it together. My teenage son and I put this together in really like 5 to 10 minutes. It wasn't hard at all. The hardware and the tool you need to put it together were included. I found so many uses for this shelf, and I think you will too. And that's just my point of view.